Giant Journey.
I follow that.
She's done a tour of Martha's home.
Okay, I'll have to go back and re-look at it.
Yeah.
See if I can look it up by Martha's home. Yeah, this is more like, I love the trees. And you do get a little bit of privacy.
You do. And that's what, like I said, this is more of what Buffalo Creek will look like.
Wow. And the lots rent for how much a
Over
month?
here, they're $200, and across the street where Buffalo Creek is $300 a month.
This green one is pretty.